Daddy, will you be coming back after today's work? Why, Johnny? You thought I will go away leaving you all happy? Don't worry, I will definitely come back and torture you. Okay, why are you asking this question? Nothing, Dad. We have only few eggs in our home. I thought when you are coming back, will you be buying some eggs for dinner? Dear Johnny, every day I am buying you eggs. And every time you are giving me back in exams, eggs. 0 marks. Eating eggs, only your tummy is getting bigger, man. Your brain is not getting bigger. Daddy, tell anything about me. I don't mind. But don't tell anything about egg. Hey, why are you so obsessed with those eggs, man? Daddy, in egg only, all vitamins like A, D, E, K and minerals and high quality proteins are there, it seems. My teacher told me. Oh, did your teacher tell you that egg also contains some antibiotics like sulfonamides, tetracycline and ciprofloxacin, which are commonly consumed by human beings? Did your teacher tell you that egg also contains some deadly bacteria like salmonella and listeria? Did your teacher also tell you that the egg contains a chemical called dioxin, which is a neurotoxin? Oh God, Daddy, are you telling that all these things are there in the egg? Don't worry, I'm not telling all these things are there in the eggs, but I'm only telling it's better if all these things are not there in the egg. Oh Daddy, don't confuse me like Kamala Hassan. Tell me it is there or not. Dear Johnny, those chicken farms where newborn chickens, as soon as they are born, are injected with antibiotics and steroids. Those chicken farms where hormone injections are used to impregnate the hen. Those chicken farms which use a special powder which is used to make the hen to lay eggs in speedy way. Only in those chicken farms where the eggs are produced, those eggs will contain whatever I told. Oh Daddy, how does the chicken farm people knows which antibiotic should be given for these chickens and hens? My dear son, today in India, what is happening? Anybody who is having cold or fever, what they do? They don't go to doctor. They directly go to the pharmacist, and the pharmacy they will ask, I'm having severe cold and fever. Please give me some medicines. But only one thing, my problem should get over within a day. So what the medical shop owner will do? Okay, he will give 2 antibiotics, 1 cetirizine for running nose, 1 paracetamol for fever, 1 steroid for body pain. So the next day the problem gets solved. See my son, today in India, even human beings are not aware about what medicine they are taking, what antibiotic are being prescribed. So why would anybody bother about what antibiotic the hen is receiving, man? Oh Daddy, how to find out the eggs we buy contain these antibiotics or all other things you mentioned is present or not? See Johnny, for testing the presence of antibiotic, steroid, salmonella or dioxin, we have to take the egg to the laboratory only. Only there we will be able to identify. But there are some simple tests which are there, which can be done at home itself to identify whether it's a old spoiled egg or good egg. Please bring 1 egg. Here it is, Pa. Okay, smell this egg, Johnny. No smell, Pa. Okay, it is a good egg because spoiled egg will smell rotten. Next, bring a glass full of water. Here it is, Pa. Okay, bring that egg, put it inside this water. See, the egg has completely sank to the bottom of this tumbler. So now tell me whether it's a good egg or bad egg. Daddy, the egg has sank down. It's a bad egg only, Daddy. Hey man, when have you given me correct answers for my question? See, the new egg will have less air in it. So when we put the new egg inside the water, it will sink to the bottom. Whereas old egg will gradually accumulate air from the atmosphere through its shell, and when it becomes very old, there will be a big air bubble inside the egg. So the old egg will float in the water. So that's why if the egg floats in the water, it's better to discard the egg. Okay, next question. Will the egg's shell will be always white in color? Yes, Daddy, it will be white only. What's the doubt in it? Johnny, again you are wrong. See, there are different varieties of eggshells. In some countries, brown eggs are commonly available. In some countries, even blue or green color eggs are available. The color of the eggshell depends upon the breed of the hen, to which breed it belongs, and it depends on the genetic constitution of that breed. Okay Johnny, I am going to keep one competition for you. I am going to ask you a series of questions. If you answer at least 50% correct means Daddy will buy you big duck egg today. Duck egg, wow. Ask me questions. I will think and answer. First question. Should we refrigerate the egg after buying it from the local shop? No need, pa. Wrong answer. You have never visited our home kitchen, Johnny? Oh, yes, but it's kept in fridge only by mummy. I forgot. See, Johnny, we have to keep the egg in fridge because as soon as the egg is laid by the hen, there is a normal protective covering around the egg. This layer will give protection. But if we wash the egg in water, this layer will go away. So if we wash the egg, we have to keep it in fridge. In countries like America, they wash the egg immediately after hatching. So the egg should be kept in the refrigerator. Whereas in countries like UK, London, the eggs are not washed. So it is kept even outside for 20 to 25 days without spoilage. Even in countries like UK, there is vaccination for salmonella which is given to the hens to prevent the eggs from getting salmonella. But in India, our chicken farms, what procedure they do, I don't know. That's why I am advising to keep the egg in the fridge. Okay, at least answer my next question. To increase the egg quality, the chickens will be put on starvation for at least 10 to 15 days without food and water. Is it correct or wrong? I think it will not be done. How will the egg quality improve if the chicks are kept on fasting? No, you are wrong. It is being done to increase the egg quality. It is called as molting. Oh, pa, is it not cruel to do this? Yes, it is being done and definitely it's a cruel procedure only. Okay, next question. As soon as the chickens are born, its beak will be slightly cut off. Is it correct or wrong? Oh no, it's very cruel. It's not done. No, my son. Again, your answer is wrong. These days, chickens are being grown in small cages. These cages are called as battery cages. Inside these battery cages, the hens will not be able to move, even they will not be able to spread out their wings. So under this situation, the hens and chicks will be under constant tension and depression. So what they will do is sometimes they tend to injure others with the help of their beaks. So to prevent this from happening, to prevent the injury, the beaks are slightly trimmed off so that they don't injure others. And there is another nasty behavior among these hens. What it will do is sometimes the dead hen, because of the injury, it may die. So all other hens will eat the dead hen. This is called as cannibalism. Okay, let me ask you the next question. Can we predict the color of the egg with the help of hen's ear? How can we predict the egg color with the ear color? Not possible, daddy. Oh, my brilliant son. Again, you are wrong. We can predict the color of the egg with the help of hen's ear. White color eared hen will lay white colored eggs and red color eared hens will lay brown color eggs. Okay, it seems like you will not be answering any question correctly. I am losing interest. I think I will go to my work. Daddy. Okay, daddy. Ask me questions. Hereafter, I will think an answer and every answer will be a correct answer. I'm waiting for the correct answer. Next question. Egg yolk will be always yellow in color. Correct or wrong? Correct. All yolks will be in yellow color only. No, it's again wrong. See, the color of the yolk depends upon the feed the hen is eating. The color of the yolk will be light yellow or deep yellow or sometimes even orange in color. Anyway, I am now losing interest. You are not answering any question correctly. I think it's better if I leave the office now. Shall I leave now? Daddy, what is this? Is it a law that all the time only you will ask the questions? Now I will put you a challenge. I will ask you questions, and if you answer my questions at least for 50% correctly, then I will never ask egg in my life again. Are you ready for the challenge? No, I don't have time.
Hey Johnny, don't leave your daddy. Ask questions.
Our daddy always asks us questions. It's time for revolt. Ask questions, brother.
Aha, all joined together. Okay, ask me. Okay, daddy. For a long time I was having one doubt. I will ask this as a question. Which came first? Whether the egg came first from the hen or the hen came first from the egg?
Ha ha ha, Bunny got trapped.
Ha ha ha, father is in trouble.
Bring me one candle and an egg. Here is the candle, pa. Okay, bring the matchsticks.
Johnny, matchsticks got over. Sorry.
Oh no, what else you keep in this house? No proper planning, no proper order.
If he doesn't know the answer, he will act like this only, son.
Okay, Johnny, at least bring the torchlight. Here is the torchlight, pa. Okay, now I will point this torch at this egg. Now you please carefully look into this egg and tell me what do you see. Nothing is there, pa. Hey, pay attention. Watch carefully. Father, I can see something reddish inside. Very good. What else do you see? Father, I can see something blackish inside that red. Very good. It's the egg with an embryo inside. If you properly incubate this egg with the help of the hen, or if it is artificially incubated, then a live chicken will come out of this egg. Now you bring me that egg. Okay, next you see inside this egg. What do you see inside? Only reddish thing, pa. No black inside. Okay, very good. This is a normal egg without an embryo. We can eat this egg. Shall we go to the next question? First question itself is not clear. Now he is asking me for next question. If I ask, he will beat me. Okay, let me corner him with my next question. What are you mumbling there? Daddy, next question. Can my grandfather with cardiac disease and my grandmother with diabetes take egg? See Johnny, as per older research studies, the recommendation was the diabetics and cardiac patients should not eat egg because the egg contains cholesterol more than 300 milligrams. But the recent studies and recommendations tells, yes, egg can be eaten by diabetics and cardiac patients, but not more than 1 egg per day. Okay, Daddy, then how come our Jagdish uncle, who is more than 60 years, is taking 5 eggs every day? Hey, he is on paleo diet, man. That's why he is taking so many eggs. Oh, then those who are in paleo diet can take more eggs, huh? Is it not bad? I will tell this in the next video. Now we shall go for the next question. Daddy, my next question is, which form of cooking is better for the egg? Whether it is the raw egg or half-boiled egg or full-boiled egg? See Johnny, if you boil the egg fully, what will happen is all these pathogenic bacteria like salmonella, listeria, all these things will get killed. So it is very safe. Suppose if you eat half-boiled egg, maybe these organisms will stay alive. So if you eat half-boiled egg, probably the next day in the toilet you may get half-boiled loose things. So it's your wish. You can decide to eat whichever is better for you. Okay. I will eat full boil alone hereafter. Okay, pa. Okay, my next question. Yesterday there was a meeting in our area, conducted by our local politician. Somebody from the crowd suddenly threw an egg at him. Why, pa? Oh, it's nothing, Johnny. Actually, our politician used to usually daily torture his wife, it seems, to give him omelette. So his wife got angry, and it is actually his wife who got into that crowd and threw the egg at him. So anyway, among all the questions you asked, this is the only good and valid question, Johnny. Why, pa? See, I am also tortured every day by somebody to get egg from the shop. I was thinking what to do with this fellow, what punishment can I give. Now you gave me a brilliant idea. Thank you, Johnny. Oh, yes. Okay, Daddy. Without forgetting, today evening bring me the duck egg.